Hi everyone and welcome to a new video. So in this video, we'll be showing you paano mag-register para manalo ng 50,000 sa Tutok to Win ni Kuya Will. So before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button para updated kayo sa mga videos natin. Okay, so from the dashboard, ito po makikita natin. Pag click natin yung Shopee, hanapin lang po natin dito sa pinakataas. Hanapin lang po natin yung itong Watch and Win. Yan, TV special. May instructions po dito. So first, download nyo po yung Shopee and set up an account. Then 2, complete the online registration form. Yan po yung gagawin natin. Watch 66 Shake and Win TV special on June 6, 7 p.m. Yan. And wait for the Watch and Win segment. Yan. 4 winners will be selected randomly. Yan. Answer Kuya Will's call and win 50,000 in cash. So, register lang po tayo. Okay, so pag click nyo na po yung register now, ito po yung makita natin. Your submission has been received. So, this promotion is managed by Shopee Philippines. So, yan po. From here, ang gagawin na lang po natin is sumubaybay sa 66. Yan, June 6, 7 p.m. and then answer Kuya Will's call kapag nanalo kayo. Okay, so that's it for our Shopee Watch and Win. So thank you so much for watching, and again, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button para update kayo sa mga videos natin. Thank you and you have a great day.